So how do you change the calendar format on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So if you're using the Apple Calendar app, like the built-in one, and you want to change the view, like the format in that sense, make sure you are inside of the calendar application as usual, and you might be inside of like the week view, the month view, or even the day. But the whole point is that you need to tap on this button like this, and you will see the different views or formats, right? So for example, if you are in the week view, you can choose between like the single day, multi-day, or list view, right? So you can see, you can even scroll through the list of upcoming events, or the single day, multi-day, right? As you can see, it kind of works or shows a bit different. If you go to the month view, you can change it between the compact, stacked, or the details mode. So these are going to be the different formats for that, right? So you can like switch in between the different views. So that's one thing you might have on your mind regarding this. On the other hand, if you are thinking about like the actual date format, like if the month is like first, or if the day of the month is first, like the way it's written throughout the iPhone, then you can change it in your settings app by going to the general section and find the language and region. And there you can like choose a different calendar type, right? So you have those, but you also have the first day of the week throughout the iPhone and the date format. So you can see you might have the whole year written out, or have the, like dashes in between, or yeah, you can have like the, as I said, the date, or I mean the day number and month in that order, or however you like it, right? So that's how you can change the calendar format if you mean it in that sense. So let me know if we managed to help you out and fix the issue. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.